Hey guys, today we are looking at a smart band that comes in at a really cheap price of 600 plus rupees or $10, but offers some really great features like the heart rate sensor. It can track blood pressure and blood oxygen levels, and it can push notifications from the smartphone, and of course the color display. So let's take a look, but guys, please give this video a like and subscribe. So let's begin the video. So this is the box, guys. There is not much information mentioned on the box. So let's quickly open this and you will basically find the manual, and it is in English language, which is pretty helpful. And inside the box you will only find the band. I was a little worried that there was no charger included, but later realized that it actually comes with this micro USB port thing, which you can simply plug into any laptop or any USB power source. So that's pretty convenient. But the design is a little weird. As you can see, when you try to plug it in, it basically, the angle actually kind of obstructs, so you can't really keep it flat on any surface. So you have to find an edge like this so that you can charge it, or you can also use a power bank, I believe. So that's that. The build quality also feels pretty good for the price. As you can see, it is made of I believe the silicone or some type of plastic, but overall it feels pretty good for the price, and I can't really complain much about the build quality. So you can actually take a look at the detailed specs here. Okay guys, so the first impressions, it looks exactly like the Mi Band 3. In fact, I have the Mi Band 3 here. Okay, let's do a blind test. Tell me which is which. I'll give you a second. Okay, so on the right is the Xanes smartwatch, and on the left is the Mi Band 3. But of course, the smart band has the color display, and it looks bigger and better. Let me know guys if you want me to do a comparison video. I'll make it happen in a couple of days. Now let's take a look at some of its features. So it has the heart rate sensor, and it can track blood pressure, blood oxygen levels, but I can't really watch for the accuracy of all that. But I will try to make a comparison video, as I said, comparing the heart rate and the sleep tracking and the pedometer. So I tried measuring the heart rate sensor, and it looked and worked pretty normal and seems to have given kind of accurate results, but we'll have to test out more. And also this is the blood pressure monitor. But guys, if you are a BP patient or something like that, then you definitely need to look at some more sophisticated devices rather than relying on such very budget trackers. But anyway, for the price, this is offering a lot in my opinion. So the calls or the notifications are also working fine. So in order to pair the band, the manual says you need to download this Laugh Fun Health, but it didn't work. So I tried the Laugh Fun Wear, and it worked seamlessly, and it was connected instantly, and the app support looks to be decent, and I really need to find out more about this app, which I'm going to do in a couple of days. So for a throwaway price, you are getting a lot of features, at least on paper. Let me know what you think guys, and also please give it a like, and also comment below if you really want me to do a full review of this band. Also, I just checked it today, and the price is just 700 plus rupees or $10. So take a look, link is given in the description. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.